Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that if your Instagram repost button is missing, then I'm going to tell you how you can fix that. So first is updating the app. So you're going to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and you're going to search for Instagram, and then you'll be able to see an update button. If the Instagram is not updated to the latest version, you're going to simply click on update and update the app to the latest version and your repost button will appear. The next way is by testing different posts. So you can try opening a few public posts or reels from different creators. Sometimes the repost option is missing because the original creator turned off sharing permissions. Also, if the account is private, Instagram won't allow that content to be reposted. So instead of checking just one post, test multiple posts from different public accounts before assuming something is wrong with your app. Next is reviewing your sharing settings. So you're going to head over to your profile here at the bottom right, and then you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. You'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down, and under the section of how others can interact with you, you'll be able to see sharing and reuse. Click on it, and then you're going to make sure that this button is toggled on, that is reposts on posts and reels. Next is reporting the issue to Instagram. If everything is up to date and everything is good, but still if Instagram is not letting you reuse that, you're going to simply scroll to the bottom of the settings and activity, and you'll be able to see an option that says help. Click on it, and then you're going to click on report a problem. Here, you're going to click on report problem without shaking. After that, you're going to click on include and continue. Here, you can briefly explain what your problem is. You can also post a screenshot or any screen recording, and Instagram will get back to you. The fifth method is that you can simply clear the cache, or you can restart your device, and sometimes that will force restart the application as well. So once you do so, you'll be able to see the repost button will appear. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.